Okay, I found a solution for the residential Samsung refrigerator in my motorhome. I have this one here. It's got the French doors, 23 cubic foot. And I bought these straps at Amazon. They're refrigerator straps. They sell them in two. And they come in a short Velcro item. And what I did is the second one that I had, I actually bought some extra Velcro for it so it would fit on the icebox drawer. And so now we're able to lock these. And gosh, if I could just hang on a minute here. I can't do this without somebody filming it, and there's no one here to do it with me, so I gotta film it myself. And so they lock like that, and this one opens like this, and I actually have it where it's connected, and it holds the doors in excellent, which is a good safety thing. And you could actually lock these. They lock and they unlock. So if you're looking for an easy way to keep your refrigerators closed like this in your RV, you buy these at Amazon. They were $10 for the two of them. That's it. See ya.